Hello to everyone. So let us discuss first question. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter and the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Find its surface area. So we have basically two shapes. One is cylinder and other is hemisphere. But we have two hemisphere and that capsule total length is 14 millimeter and its diameter is 5 millimeter. So first draw the diagram and then we can discuss further. So here you can see the diameter is 5 millimeter and the total length is 14 millimeter. So the same radius of this hemisphere will specify its height. So this one is also, we are having the same height. If we are going to subtract these radius from this total length, so we get the height of our cylinder. Okay, so let us solve this. So given diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. Therefore, the radius of this capsule is, so radius is d by 2, that is diameter by 2, so it will be 5 by 2, so we have 2.5 millimeter. Now we have to find the surface area of capsule. So how we can find the surface area of this capsule? So that is curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Now we have two hemispheres, so we can multiply this hemisphere by 2. Now what is the formula of curved surface area of the cylinder? That is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. So you can see here, again here, cylinder and hemisphere are having the same radius. So if hemisphere radius is 2.5, so as we have for the cylinder also. So here we can take common terms 2 pi and r. So let us take this common 2 pi and r. So we have h plus r and with 2r. h plus 2r. That is h plus 2r. We can say here h plus 2r, that is height of cylinder plus 2 into radius of hemisphere, because we have two hemispheres, so that is the why we are multiplying here. So as you can see here, this one is the height, okay, and plus r. So it will provide you the h plus 2r provides you the total height of this capsule. Total height of the capsule. So that is total height of, or we can say length of entire capsule. So and that is given 14 millimeter. So we can write it here 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is here 2.5 and total length is given 40. So now we can solve this one and we get the answer. So now you can see here, after solving this, we get the surface area, that is 220 millimeter square. That is the total surface area of this given capsule. Right? So now move to the next question. So we have a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 per meter square. Now you can see here, the shape is given as in a form of tent, that is cylindrical surmounted by a conical top. So let us see first the figure and understand the concept. So here it is. You can see this one is cylinder, right? And here it is upward is a cone, right? So given the diameter of the cylindrical part is 4 meter and height is 2.1 meter. Okay, so it means diameter is same for the cone also. So again we have to find the surface area, and also we have to find the cost. How much money have been spent on this canvas, right? So same simple thing. First we are going to apply the curved surface area of the cylinder, then we are going to apply the curved surface area of this cone and just add this one. So we are getting the answer, right? So let us start. Now as you can see, the diameter of the tent is 4 meter. So therefore radius of the tent become 2 meter. Given is height of the cylindrical part is 2.1 meter and slant height of the cone, that is in the shape of, right, that is your top, that is 2.8 meter. Now we have to find the, first we are going to find its surface area. So because it is given the rate in a surface area, so you can see 500 per meter square. So first we are going to find its surface area. After that we are going to find the cost of the canvas, right? So you can see here the total surface area of the tent is curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. So formula of the curved surface area is 2 pi RH plus pi RL. So we can take common pi and R because radius is same for top and the cylindrical part. So we just substitute these values, and after solving this we got 44 meter square, 44 meter square. So now we have to find the total cost. We have to find the total cost. Now you can see here the cost of canvas for 1 meter square is 500 rupees. So that is given to us, right? So we have to find for 44 meters square. So we just multiply this 500 with 44. So after multiplying we are getting 22,000 rupees. So total cost that will be on this tent, that is 22,000 rupees. So that's all about this question. So let us move to the next question. So we have next as, from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. So find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Okay, so we have to find the total surface area, and given is a solid cylinder. Solid cylinder. It is not hollow cylinder. It is a solid cylinder. So for that we have to find the total surface area. So first we draw the diagram and then we will discuss. So the diagram is, you can see here, this one is your diameter 1.4 centimeter and this one is your height. Height is same for both these shapes, cylinder as well as for cone. So because this cylinder is here a solid cylinder, right? So we have to find its total surface area, or we can say we can find the curved surface area plus this surface area of this circle, right? The base area and the curved surface area plus here, that is the curved surface area of the cone. One way is this, and second way is we can find the total surface area plus curved surface area of this cone and minus the top of this solid, right? So we have to subtract. So either you can take curved surface area plus the base, or you can take total surface area plus curved surface area of cone and minus this top of the cylinder. Okay, so let us type both the ways and the answer will be the same. So we can opt any one of these. Okay, G. So here you can see I have written here both the methods. First is total surface area. How can we find? So curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone plus surface area of base. And second is total surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone minus surface area of this top. Okay, so I'm applying the first way. So first I'm going to apply the first way and then I can apply the second way. You can choose any one of them. All right. So let us now we are going to apply the first one. So the first is, so we have curved surface area formula as 2 pi r h. Curved surface area of cone is pi r l. Surface area of base is as in a shape of a circle and the area of a circle is pi r square. So pi r is common because here there is a written, they both are having the same diameter and a height. So we have to find L. L is your slant height. So slant height can be find it out as h square plus r square under. So diameter is given to us, right? 1.4 centimeter. So radius will be its half. So we have all the values. Just first find the slant height. So thus we can write it as, now you can see here we have find the slant height at h square plus r square under root, that is equals to 2.4 the square plus radius means that is the diameter half 0.7, and after solving it we get a slant height 2.5 centimeter. Now we can substitute all these values and you can give it equation number 1. So from 1 we can have, that is total surface area of solid, that is equals to 22 by 7. H is here 2.4 and radius is 0.7, and in bracket 2 into h is 2.4 plus slant height, that is L, we already find, that is 2.5 plus 0.7. So after solving this value we can get the value as, after solving this we are having 17.6 centimeter square. So total surface area of the solid, that is total surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone minus surface area of top. So again, total surface area formula we have written here 2 pi r into h plus r pi r l minus pi r square. So pi r is common. We have 2h plus 2r plus l minus r. Why? Because this 2 is multiplied by h also, 2 multiplied by r also. That's why we have written here 2h plus 2r L minus r. So slant height we already have find out in the previous method also. So that is 2.5 centimeters. So we have all these values. We are again substituting these values in equation number 1. So total surface area of the solid is, so we have the same value that we have taken in the first method, 17.6 centimeter square. So next question is, a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is of radius 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. So you can see here we have again a solid cylinder, and we have taken two hemispheres from each side of the cylinder, and height is given 10 centimeter and radius base is given 3.5 because it is a cylindrical, so radius will be same in all cylinder. So we have to find the total surface area of this article. So first we are going to make the diagram and then we proceed for the solution. So you can see here we have a cylinder and we have two hemisphere that is scoop out. So we have to find the total surface area. So again we are taking the curved surface area of this cylinder and then curved surface area of two hemispheres. So it is very much simple because we have done so many question earlier regarding the curved surface area, so we can solve it very quickly. So let us start. Here you can see total surface area of the solid as we have discussed, the curved surface area of the cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere, and we know the formulas very well, 2 pi r h plus 2 into 2 pi r square. So we take 2 pi r as common, so we have h plus 2r. H height is given of this solid cylinder is 10, that is 10 centimeter, and radius is given 3.5 centimeters. So we just substitute these values and we get 374 centimeter square. So that's all about your first exercise of surface area and volume. Thank you so much.